Okay, so I have these two new gadgets that I want to try out. This is going to help make oiling the chain a lot much easier. So normally you would have your oiler like this and then you'd come over here and spray. As you can imagine, there's a lot of overspray and it's a pain in the ass, right? So let me show you what this one is. This is called this is called the Oinker. Bear with me, sorry guys. Okay, so this is what you get in the packet. You get these 2 or 3 straws basically so that you can attach it. And this is the actual tool over here, all right? So let me put it on so you guys can see. This should fit around any of the oilers that you guys are using. So basically it goes around the neck over here. You'll put this on this way, and then there's this right here, which you're gonna pinch, and it'll basically secure right over here, just like that, okay? Then you'll put the straw over here, and this is where the magic happens. Okay, so this, you get it for your size chain, basically, the 525, and then basically there are 2 small holes over here which directs the oil to come out this way. What's cool about this is you can actually turn it and break it. Hold on, let's try that again. Okay, so you turn it if you want to put it in this orientation like that. What I'm going to do with mine is turn it 90 degrees without breaking it, just like that. That way, you put this on this way over the chain, and then you apply it, okay? So let's try it out. Okay, so the principle is the straw comes in this way. It's already bent over here, so it fits in here nicely. And then there are 2 small holes over here, right? So when you put it, you cover the chain and you apply it. So I've never used this before. Bear with me, you guys. Let's see what happens. Just gonna go light. Oh yeah, okay. All right, that's pretty cool. You see how everything fell straight down? All right, so let's try it with turning the wheel. Okay, I think we have a winner. What do you guys think? So much easier, much cleaner. It didn't go all over the place. It didn't go over the tire. Let me tilt the camera down so you guys can see. It just fell straight down. So if you guys have something on the floor to catch the overspray, that would be much better, definitely. So yeah, I'm very pleased. Okay, so let's try the other one. The other one is made by EZImoto. Both of these I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. It's not too expensive, but I was just curious to see if this will make my life easier, especially on the road. This one is a little bit different because they actually provide you with a brush as well. So you can put this on a chain cleaner and use it to brush your chain with the actual cleaner going through over here. And this is the oiler, okay? So the oiler is very similar to the other one. It's got 2 holes over here, and you've got to put it this way, the longer one on this side. You see the logo right there. Let's see how this fits without breaking it. Oh, okay, nice and easy. And this one is a little bit different. So this goes around the full bottle instead of just the neck, okay? So this will go in this fashion, and then you hold it like that. And this is what you're looking at, okay? So let's try this one out as well. I was once asked to show behind the scenes. So here's the scene from behind. Okay, this is the first time that I'm using it. Okay, similar to the other one. Let's try it with the left hand and turn the wheel. This seems to be a little bit louder. It sprays a little bit more, I think. But you guys get the point, okay? If I was to choose one, I think I like the other one a little bit better, to be honest with you. I hope you guys found this helpful. Have an amazing day.